Hi students, I just wanted to show you how to practice the Quizlet vocabulary. So go to week 3 and click on the Quizlet, vaccine vocabulary. So view material, and you can click on it. And we may do a little quiz on this tomorrow. So here are your vocabulary words. You can make it smaller. Okay, you can go through the words by flashcards by clicking like this and then clicking on the card and you'll get the definition. You can advance. This one says antibiotic and you click on that. It says a medicine used to save lives because it destroys harmful bacteria and cures infections. And antiviral, click on it. Medicine that destroys a virus. Microorganism, click on the picture. Oh, it's a small living plant or animal seen only with a microscope, a microbe. Okay, you can go through all of those. You can also see the list at the bottom of the page. Make sure you get rid of the ads. You can click on the X's so you can see the whole list of words here. And this is just an ad, so click on the X. Lots of ads. So go down, go through the list. Then you can go through to learn. So a very small living thing that causes disease. What is it? Germ, virus, infection. I think it might be germ. So click on germ. Okay, a disease caused by germs that enter the body. Infection. Able to change easily. Inhibit. Oops, it says study this one. So it tells you what your correct answer is. And then just press the key to continue. And you can go through like that. Now let's say I'm tired of learn. I want to do a different activity. You have the flashcards. Match is a lot of fun. So click on match. Start the game. And look, it's going to keep my time. So now I have to use my 2 fingers to click and drag. Let's say infection. Maybe that's a disease caused by germs. We got to get rid of everything. Medicine that destroys the virus. I think it's antiviral, so you have to bring them together. Medicine used to save lives because it destroys harmful bacteria and cures infections. I think it's antibiotic. Let's see, did I get that one right? One of a group of very small living things. Let's see, is that one inhibit? Put it here. Oh, okay, to prevent, let's see, signs of a disease such as pain or headache. Let's see what happens if I put inhibit there. Oh no, it's not right. So here is there, and then symptom is going to be signs of a disease. Let's see. Ooh, so I scored 56.8 seconds. I'm in first place. Maybe I'll play again. And then I can go back over here. And I could go to home. And oops, not to home. I'm sorry, I took you to the wrong place. I could scroll down and check out the other little activities. So you've got gravity. Gravity is kind of tricky. Get started. So make sure you select easy for your difficulty level. And then you can choose answer with a definition or the word. Let's go. Start. So the word is following, and then you have to type the answer. So I'm going to pause that. This one is really hard. So let's go back and let's try it again. And I would copy down all the words on your paper and the definitions so you can do this. So gravity. Let's get started. Change it to answer with the term. That way you only have to write the word. Then click get started, or let's go. Start. Watch out for the red asteroids. A small living planet or animal. Oh no, is it a germ? Enter. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Okay, I'm waiting for the next one. Oh, microorganism. Okay, and it says copy the answer. Able to change easily. Ooh, that's adaptable. Okay. Ooh, a very small living thing that causes disease, a germ. Okay, so you just keep going like that. So that is how you use Quizlet.